Hey class, welcome back. Welcome to week 14 of Introductory Psychology. This is a big week for a couple of reasons. For one, today is the last day to take exam 3. I think many of you have already taken it, but today there's still some of you who have not, and that you have until 11:59 p.m. to take exam 3. So far, I've been pretty impressed with the results I've seen. Those who have taken the exam, I'm very happy with the results, and I'm looking forward to seeing the rest of the results come in. So make sure you get that taken care of before tonight. This week, we are reading Chapter 13, which is sort of like a follow-up or a complementary chapter to Chapter 12. Chapter 12, we looked at diagnosing psychological disorders. In Chapter 13, we're looking at different forms of treatment. How do we treat these disorders? So Chapter 13 is about different forms of therapy, both psychological forms of therapy and biological. We're going to be looking at some forms of therapy that are outdated and no longer in use, and some different types of therapy that are currently in use and evolving and changing, etc. So read Chapter 13 this week. There is a discussion post that's up and active that relates to Chapter 13, specifically to the topic of psychosurgery. You might have to do a little bit of outside reading for this week's discussion. You should be able to get enough information from the text, but just in case, you might need a little bit of outside information. This week, we also have an assignment, our scholarly article review assignment. I posted this afternoon, and that's due next Monday by 11:59 p.m. Essentially, I want you to locate a scholarly scientific article that relates to the science of psychology. Anything from maybe, say, Google Scholar would work. Anything, I want your article to be peer-reviewed, meaning other scientists, other journalists have looked at it, have reviewed it, have critiqued it. Ideally, your article should be scientific in the sense that maybe an experiment is being conducted, some kind of research that you can talk about. Essentially, I want you to locate an article and then review it by telling me about the article, what you discovered, what you learned from the article, who was involved, what were the results, etc. What can we gain from it? I want you to then provide me a one-page summary of that article that you located. I have posted the details to D2L, but feel free if you have any questions about the assignment or anything like that, please let me know. Email me or post to our D2L, and I'll be happy to help with that in any way possible. So anyways, I'm going to keep this short. Today is the last day to take your exam if you have not done so. Best of luck if you have not done so. We are reading Chapter 13 this week over different forms of therapy. There is a discussion post that is due by Friday, and then I have posted our scholarly article review assignment that is due next Monday at 11:59 p.m. There is a Dropbox place for you to submit that assignment. So please see the details of that assignment and email me if you have any questions or questions about the chapter, anything at all. Feel free to reach out, and I'll be happy to respond as quickly as I can. So anyways, other than that, best of luck to those who are still taking the exam, and the rest of you, have a great week, or everybody, have a great week, and I look forward to talking to you guys next week. All right, take care. Bye.